Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 budget plunge routers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best budget plunge routers. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch 1617 EVS. The toughest woodwork is a breeze for the Bosch 1617 EVS electronic fixed-base router because it combines enough power with its versatile speed settings to enable you to glide smoothly along the cut lines. As a heavy-duty model, it features a 12-amp motor that runs on 2.25 horsepower at an adjustable speed range of 8,000 to 25,000 rotations per minute. It even has a 1.5-inch collet, which makes it ideal for handling different woodwork projects. Thanks to the inbuilt constant response circuitry, this router will maintain your chosen speed while cutting to produce clean and accurate results. This model has a hard plastic outer casing, aluminum housing for its motor and base, and a dust-sealed power switch, which all make it durable and long-lasting. Once the motor starts to run, its soft start feature reduces torque so that you can keep a good grip of the machine and transition smoothly where necessary. The ergonomic design does not in any way interfere with your work, thus allowing you to carry on the job with consistency and precision. And because it features threaded holes on its fixed base, you can mount it on a table using the usual 3-hole pattern and use the microfine adjustment quick changes. This router comes with a 1-year limited warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The package includes a Bosch 1617 EVS router, RA1161 fixed base, 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collets, dropped forge wrenches, chip shield, above-table height adjustment wrench, and mounting hardware. Its pros are: it has a variable speed range, it is a 1-button operation plunge, and it produces precise base cuts. However, its cons are: it has slippery handles, and it has no battery. The Bosch 1617 EVS electronic fixed-base router is ideal for a craftsman who needs clean and consistent cutting results in their woodwork. Up next in 4th place is the Metabo KM12VC. If you need a handy tool to help you cut grooves, chamfer, or trim, the Metabo KM12VC has proven itself reliable, so you can consider it for your next woodworking project. This model operates with an 11-amp motor that delivers 2.25 horsepower, which gives precise, controlled cuts in any woodwork application. The motor reduces torque during startup to enable you to maneuver the machine with ease while you stay in control of the entire process to get accurate cuts. You can choose from its wide speed range, and it will maintain the speed evenly throughout. Its ergonomic design makes the machine comfortable and convenient to use. Whether you want to change the base or make quick and accurate depth adjustments, the 2-stage motor release clamp will make the process stress-free for you. For enhanced stability, both fixed and plunge router bases are included in the package so that you can use them according to your needs. The latter provides fine depth adjustment for precise depth control. Just turn the dial to your desired depth and you're good to go. With a noise level of 79.5 decibels, this machine works quietly. And when it comes to its durability, there's no doubt that it will last you for years because the reinforced hard plastic case protects it from damage. This product comes with a 5-year warranty. The package includes 1/2 and 1/4-inch collets chuck, centering gauge, 16 and 23mm wrenches, 4mm hex bar wrench, 10 pieces of hex socket HD bolt, sub-base plate, template guide adapter, and a convenient carry case. Its pros are: it has an ergonomic design, it has a broad speed range, and it operates quietly. However, its plunge base gets stuck easily. The Metabo KM12VC is suitable for those looking for a reliable, high-performance router kit for their workshop. Still haven't found a budget plunge router that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Lotos ER001. Simplify your woodwork process by investing in the Lotos ER001 to give you the precision and accuracy required for cutting, trimming, chamfering, etc. With this model, you won't need to swap between bases because the included plunge base functions both as a plunge and fixed router. One of the first things you will notice on this router is the rigid aluminum body and base, built to be durable for long-term use. Then there is the hood, which removes dust so that your workplace stays clean. Additionally, a comfortable rubber grip and external brush cap help keep everything neat and tidy and improve its ease of use. Apart from being high quality, its performance is commendable because the powerful AC motor delivers a maximum speed of 1.6 horsepower at a variable speed from 16,000 to 30,000 rotations per minute. This means that you can use this machine for different routing and trimming applications and choose just the right speed for the job. You can make micro and macro adjustments combined with a 7-stop turret to get the necessary precision in any cabinetry and woodwork. However, you only get 1/4-inch router bits that plunge into a maximum depth of 2 inches. Both small and large adjustments are possible with this router, giving you enough control to obtain the woodworking process you want. Alongside the router, the package comes with a multifunction straight-edge guide, 1 roller circle guide, dust collection duct, and a template guide. You also get a 30-day refund policy and a 1-year warranty. Its pros are: it has a long-lasting build, it has a powerful motor, and it allows for a significant adjustment of settings. However, its cons are: it has only 1/4-inch router bits, and the components are difficult to change. The Lotos ER001 is for DIYers and professionals looking for a plunge router that delivers a large amount of power. The second product on our list is the WEN RT6033. The versatility and high performance of the WEN RT6033 put it high on the list with other top plunge routers on the market. It features a 15-amp motor that provides a speed rating of 2.5 horsepower at a range of 8,000 to 23,000 rotations per minute. And because it has a soft startup design that reduces its torque when you turn it on, both your workpiece and this machine will not get damaged in the process. Its aluminum base and a hard plastic body provide the durability required to withstand any work you subject it to. With its 7-stop rotating turret and micro and macro adjustment dials, you can increase or decrease your cutting depth by 1/8 inches. With the micro adjustment dials alone, you can advance the depth stop by 1/128th of an inch per quarter turn to allow for easy control, precision, and accuracy. The lockdown knob on the spring-loaded base enables you to conveniently convert your plunge router into a fixed router with ease. Additionally, this machine comes with a 1/2-inch collet that has a 1/4-inch adapter, which makes it compatible with different router bits, and a 1.5-inch dust collection duct that keeps your workspace clean. The manufacturer put every woodwork design they could think about into consideration, which is why this product comes with a parallel guide fence for straight designs, a centering pin for cutting circles, a profile guide for routing edges of curvy workpieces, and a template guide for creating complex shapes. Other accessories in the kit include a bit-changing wrench, fence scale, and a carrying case. You also get a 2-year warranty. Its pros are: it is easy and convenient to use, it has variable speeds, and it works as a plunge and fixed router. However, its cons are: it has a stiff plunge function, and it is quite a weighty product. The WEN RT6033 is suitable for anyone who needs a versatile and efficient plunge router for various woodwork applications. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top budget plunge router is the Makita RT0701CX. If you are looking for a high-performance plunge router that can handle your everyday woodwork needs, this one from Makita is your best bet. As a heavy-duty machine, it provides the best plunging results and will last you for years to come. Its performance and precision are remarkable in that it operates with a 1.25 horsepower motor at a variable speed of 10,000 to 30,000 rotations per minute. It also uses a soft start feature to start up smoothly without excess torque, meaning there's less chance of slippage or accidental cuts being made and ruining your wood project. With electronic speed control, this model maintains constant speed under load from start to finish, ensuring that you get a precise cut. Despite being compact and weighing only 3.9 pounds, this model has a double insulated heavy-duty aluminum motor housing that enhances its durability and an ergonomic design that gives you a comfortable grip and control. Thanks to the durable flat-top design that enables you to change router bits easily, the RT0701CX7 is straightforward to use, even for beginners. Additionally, the rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system and easy-to-read depth scales make for smooth depth adjustments. Lastly, you can quickly remove the base with the quick-release cam lock system to install others and use the shaft lock to change bits. Its pros are: it has a high-performance and heavy-duty motor, it is compatible with industry template guides, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. However, its replacement parts are hard to find. Makita RT0701CX7 is for those looking for a durable plunge router that is easy and convenient to use. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.